Okay, we're live.
Woohoo!
Mm. Okay, hopefully this quiz is easy, and hopefully the unit test is easy.
Yeah, let's hope so.
Okay, there's 31 questions.
Dang.
Well then, this should be fun.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so question one, which of the following variables is categorical? Think it'd be the brand of toothpaste, right?
What are the following variables are? I would say so, yeah.
Okay.
Am I on the wrong quiz? We're doing lesson 8, right?
Yeah. And you're doing the group meeting quiz?
Yeah. Oh, never mind, I found it. Okay. I couldn't see the toothpaste
Okay.
part.
Okay, the mean IQ test score in the United States is 100. 20 randomly selected statistics students took an IQ test, and the mean of their scores was 112. Which of the following statements is/are true? 100 is a parameter, 112 is a parameter, 100 is a statistic, or 112 is a statistic.
Hmm.
I
Hmm.
am not
Would it
sure.
be 100 is a statistic? I feel like it could be both 100 and 112.
Uh, I don't know for sure on this one.
I want to say 100 would be a parameter because that's the scores for all of it. And then 112 is a statistic out of 20 people from the whole United States. But I'm not entirely sure. It could be the opposite.
We can come back to it. It looks like you can click more than one answer.
Yeah.
I think we're supposed to pick which one's the parameter and which one's a statistic.
Yeah.
So we on number 4 now?
Yeah. Rotham City has 4 distinct neighborhoods. The property values are very similar within each neighborhood, but they vary considerably from one neighborhood to the next neighborhood. One neighborhood has very low property values and another has extremely high property values. Property taxes are usually roughly proportional to the property values. What type of sample should we collect to gauge the residents' responses to a proposed increase in property taxes?
Hmm.
Probably a systematic sample, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's the one where you pick one and then go like every 5 or something like that, right?
That's where they're in like different groups, and then you pick a random sample from each group, I think.
Oh, okay. I think I was thinking of stratified.
Okay. And question 5. When designed experiments are conducted in a public school systems, researchers typically choose a particular district and randomly select teachers of, say, 4th grade students in that district. The experiment is then conducted using all the students in the selected classes. Which type of sampling scheme is implemented?
Would it be a cluster sample?
It'd either be stratified or cluster. I'm not super clear on stratified definition.
It might be cluster, but I'm not for sure.
I think it's here, one second. This is like the hardest part of the whole unit. I feel like they're all so close together. Okay. So number 4 is actually going to be stratified. I forgot what systematic was.
Okay.
And I think number 5, because stratified was like number 4, where you have them separated and then you use like representatives from each group.
Mm-hmm.
But a cluster, where you divide population into groups, then a simple random sample is selected from of clusters. It might be cluster for number 5.
Yeah, I think it's
Okay. Okay. So we're good on that one?
Mm-hmm.
At a school fundraiser, the name of every person who attended was entered into a drawing. At the end of the evening, 6 names were selected to receive door prizes. Which type of sampling scheme was implemented? Probably just a simple random sample, right?
I would think so, yeah.
What do you think, Clara?
Yeah, I agree.
Okay. A special interest group is conducting a survey regarding wolves in Yellowstone National Park. To adequately gauge opinions on both sides, of the political spectrum, the researchers took the list of registered Democrats and selected a simple random sample of 100. Then they took a list of registered Republicans and selected a simple random sample of 100 people. Which type of sampling scheme was implemented?
Would that be stratified sampling again?
Yeah, I think so.
Okay.
Okay, and then the next one you have to download something on Excel. Okay. Using software, calculate the mean of the amount spent. Okay. And then go over to this. Interesting.
Okay, so I got 4.77. How far did I go? It's a 4.771. What about you guys?
How'd you get that?
So I had to look up how to find the mean on Excel,
Yeah.
and it says to find the mean is to use the average, which would be like the mean.
Wait, is there like an average button?
So you put in equal and then type in average.
Okay. And then do you have to like select the column
Yeah.
that
Yeah, and then you select like the group that you want.
like just select B, or do you select all the numbers in B?
Select all the numbers in B.
Okay.
So like from B2 down to B86.
Okay. So you got, what did you get?
I got 4.77105.
9.
Yeah.
Okay, that's what I got too.
Okay.
That's weird.
So 4.771
Yeah.
after you round it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Hey Lisa, my name is Alexander. I submitted a Shire Cares application, I think probably a week and a half ago, and I was just looking to ask about the status of that. Thank you. Not a problem.
Okay. So to calculate the standard deviation, Google says, type in the formula STDEV,
Mm-hmm.
and then select the stuff.
Okay. Okay, so I got 1.911993.
Uh-huh.
Is that what you got too?
Here, 1 second.
Okay.
Yeah, so my first name is Alexander. My last name is Domes. Domes. That's spelled DOHMS. September 19th, 1995.
like totally forgot how you select everything.
So you can
yeah, let me see just to make sure. I've
I
just moved to be
click on
honest,
the area and then just like drag above it or below
it should be
Uh-huh.
all the way to the end.
Okay.
But then how do you insert it into the
So it's like when you're doing that. So when you put in like the equal, then the st dev,
yeah.
there will be like your area to right thingy will be in between the two parentheses, right?
Yeah.
And then when you have it like that, you just click where you want to select, and then like if you start from like the bottom, and then you can go all the way to the top, and then have it already be selected. And then you hit enter, and then it should be in there.
I think I forgot the equal sign. That's what it was. Okay. Yeah, I got
Okay.
1.911993.
Okay, sweet. I did too.
So they faxed everything else and booked that doctor's page.
So if you round it 1.912.
Yeah.
There's nothing that's been fixed.
You following, Claire?
Yeah.
I can't hear her. Can you?
A little bit.
Hello?
Okay, barely.
Mm-hmm.
Are you understanding everything, Claire?
Yeah.
Okay, this page. So I should contact my doctor and ask him to do this for me.
Is she hearing us?
Okay.
Yeah, I can hear you.
She can hear us.
All right, yeah, I'll go ahead and talk to him about that. Thank you so much.
Okay.
All
But
right.
Felicia's getting everything. Okay. Start by creating a histogram of the amount spent in crossword purchases, then mark the following statement as true or false.
So how do you make a histogram again?
It was already like set up for us last time. It's super weird.
Yeah, there's a Excel spreadsheet that you can download called quantitative descriptive statistics, and that's where you copy and paste the data. So you get.
Where do you find that?
I think it's on the. You go to iLearn, and there's in the online textbook there's a section that says like data.
I'm sitting all the way, telling myself I'm going to do it homework, and I haven't even opened that book. Actually, I saw the book open, but it's on the page.
Yeah, it says data files.
So it's in the book?
Yeah, go to the textbook, and then on the left-hand side, there's a column.
Oh, it's called quantitative descriptive statistics.
Yeah.
No, I don't have eyebrows.
There we go.
It's under data files, right?
So we used it on the first quiz. So if you open Excel on your laptop and do file and then open, just look for quantitative descriptive statistics. It should be on your computer already.
Okay. Okay, and which one are we looking for again?
You are just to try and make a histogram. So you just copy and paste the numbers from one sheet to another.
Okay, but what's that sheet we're looking for called?
Oh, it's called quantitative. Hold on 1 second. Let me open it.
Okay.
Quantitative descriptive statistics.
Okay.
Yeah, just a second. Yeah. Okay, cool. Cool. Yeah, I guess. Yeah. Yeah, I can pull up my calendar. Is it like a Thursday or something? Yeah, I see it there. Yeah, Thursday on the 22nd. No, I don't even need to meet with him. I need him to do something for me. We're trying to work out an application for some medicine. I just need to ask him to submit something that I don't think he's aware of.
So you got that?
I might be
Couldn't quite
able to
find
just
it on mine though.
to tell him what needs to be done
Okay.
for this application. Okay. All right. So I'll try to keep this as loose.
So spelled with a C, right?
No, with a Q.
With a Q. Okay.
So tell him for Alexander Domes, the Shire
It's called quantitative.
application,
Yeah. So QUA.
portion of the application.
And T. Then you'll be able to find off that.
So this isn't part of the message board.
Okay.
Whether that means that he
For me,
hasn't
I don't have it on mine for some weird reason.
or something like that.
Interesting.
I actually just called it the Shire Cares Application Center, and they said that they haven't received the doctor's part of it, even though I know he has it. He just hasn't gotten it out. So. And if you have,
You still can't
if
get
he has any questions,
No.
you can call and ask me.
Let me see if it's on like the materials section,
Okay.
the class.
Shire. It's spelled SHIRE. An H. Did you miss an H? And I also have the application just in the event that he might have misplaced it or whatnot. I mean, I don't think he did. I mean, if it's
So
okay,
it's not in the resources, but there is a link to the textbook, or you could just go to lesson 1. I think
if
either lesson 1 or lesson 2 that had it in there.
you'd be willing.
Okay. I guess I'll look for it later. We can continue on.
Okay. All right. So the next one's a little confusing to me.
Do you want me to email the
Okay.
application just to make sure he has a copy? He doesn't have to go digging.
We're looking at the body temperatures of seals, and supposedly they decrease as they dive. And then there's a table where we have to calculate.
Okay.
So X with a line over it is the mean, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So it's
Yeah.
it's
Okay.
Bradbury A.
Just making sure. So we add those all together and then divide by 4.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so let me say that again. BRADBURYA at BYU.edu. Okay. All right. Cool. All right, and then what did you say that I should add in the email, just in case you lost?
Okay, so I got 38.075.
Thank you so much. What was your name?
All right. One
Hey, thanks
sec.
so much, Amy. Thank you so much.
Okay, so for A, did you guys get negative 0.165?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay,
Negative 0.165, right?
yeah.
Mm-hmm.
And then for 12, I got 0.027.
I got negative 0.681.
Did you square it?
Yeah.
Then it shouldn't be negative.
So I did 37.25 minus 38.075. And then I squared that. Oh, wait, it needs to be different.
Yeah, I got just 0.680 or 0.681 if you round up to the third. The negative times the negative should cancel out the negative and become positive.
Yeah.
Okay.
What did you guys get again?
0.681.
Okay.
Okay.
Yep, that's what I got too.
Okay.
So we're on 13 now.
Yeah. Sorry, I'm just putting it all in my calculator. It's going to take me a bit. Okay. So. Okay, so what quantity is equal to the sum of the numbers in the squared deviations column? Was it the standard deviation?
I think so.
Clara, what do you think?
Yeah, you're probably right.
Okay. Woo. Okay. What is the standard deviation of these temperatures? I got 1.534.
Okay. So you got 1.154.
1.534.
Oh, 534.
So guys, I have to leave for my class.
Okay.
So should I just like come back and watch the rest of the video, or do you guys want to?
Yeah, you can just come back and watch the rest of the video.
Okay. Well, good luck.
Thanks.
Alright. I'll see you guys on Thursday. Hopefully, I'll be better.
Oh, you're fine. I hope you guys get better. Bye. Okay. So under certain conditions, the standard deviation can be negative.
I believe that is false, right?
I think so, yeah. Because that wouldn't make sense.
Unless you're a little crazy in the head, then maybe.
Maybe. Ooh, okay. In the same study, the researchers placed thermometers in the 3 seals near their spinal cord and brain. They placed in 6 other seals. Look at the table. Okay. Which location results in the most consistent temperature measurements from one seal to another? So we're looking at the smallest standard deviation, which would be extradural.
Yeah.
Okay. And then the number of hours students spent studying for exam were recorded. And then it says use this box plot to answer the next 2 questions. What's the third quartile? So that'd be 8, right? Like
I think so.
8. Or exactly 8. I'm just gonna put 8.
That's what I'm gonna do.
Okay.
Just, I don't know.
Yeah, just might as well. Okay, what percentage of the data lies between 4 hours and 8 hours? Note, list the number as a percent and not a decimal, and don't include the percent sign. Okay. So what percent of all the data is in between the box?
4 and 8.
And all the data is from 2 to 12, right?
Yeah.
So
So would that be like 4? Well, let's see, 2. So it'll be like 4 out of 12, right?
or 4 out of 10. Just because it goes from 2 to
Oh
12.
yeah.
So 40%?
I think so.
Okay.
So 40.
Yeah.
Okay.
Whew, here goes. Okay. Use the following information to answer the next 3 questions. Observation from a normally distributed population is considered unusual if it is more than 2 standard deviations away from the mean. There are several contaminants that can harm a city's water supply. Nitrate concentrations above 10 parts per million are considered a health risk for infants less than 6 months of age. The city of Rexburg reports that the nitrate concentration in the city's drinking water supply is between 1.59 and 2.52. And values outside of this range are unusual. We will assume, yeah.
Yeah, that's Steph.
Uh-huh. It is reasonable to assume that the measured nitrate concentration is normally distributed. Estimate the mean of the measured nitrate concentration in Rexburg's drinking water.
Hmm.
Okay. 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 So
So what is it trying to ask us to do?
estimate the mean. So I'm just gonna add those 2 numbers together and then divide by 2 if that's cool.
Okay. That's what I was gonna do too. 2.055. Yeah. Wait, would it be 2.056?
Yeah, if you round up.
Okay. But I guess we do 2.055 then, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh gosh. Okay. Estimate the standard deviation.
Okay. So that'd be 0.65. So I got 0.657609.
Mm-hmm. Wait, how'd you get that?
So I went onto the Excel and did a 1.59, 2.52, and then use that for the standard deviation.
Oh, okay. Yeah, let me 1 second. I'm just gonna try
Okay.
something. Okay, yeah, I have no idea how to find this. So what was the number you got?
All right, so I got 0.658.
Okay. Okay. Between what two measured nitrate concentrations do approximately 68% of the data values lie? Okay. Okay, so 60%
Okay.
would be about close to the mean.
Yeah, so
So it'd probably be
so what's the rule again? It's the 65, 68, 99 or
um
I think it's 65, 68, 90 something, right?
right.
So I think it would be 1.590 and the 2.520.
Yeah, I think that's it. Okay. The admissions committees for most Masters of Business Administration programs require the GMAT. As part of the application for new students, it has been shown that the scores on the GMAT are normally distributed with a mean and a standard deviation. The minimum GMAT score requires for admission to the goodness. Okay. Minimum score is 500, but it is rare for students with scores less than 600 to be admitted. Okay, what is the probability that a randomly selected student will score above 542.3 on the GMAT?
Mm.
So it'd be 543.3.
543 or 542.3?
542.3, sorry. Okay.
Okay, just making sure.
542.3 minus 540. What the? It's exactly the same as the mean. Okay.
It is?
Yeah. That's super weird. Okay, we'll score above the mean. So wait, do we use the applet for this? Okay, first we put in the z-score and then we put it in the applet, right?
I believe so, yeah.
Okay.
So you said it was the exact same thing as the mean?
Yeah, it's the same number as the mean.
Okay.
So it would be 0. 0 divided by 120.54.
Wait, so but did you do like the five wait, do we do 500 for 5423 or 542.3 divided by 120.54
Is that all we have to do?
and then put it into the applet, I think?
542.3 divided by 120.54. Yeah, I think that's probably the standard deviation. And then we put that in the applet. 4.499. Okay.
So what did you get? Sorry.
As the z-score, I got 4.499. Did you get that?
Yeah, 4.4989.
Yeah. And then you just round it up to 9.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh, goodness. Okay.
Okay.
I'm not even sure if that worked.
And then it's higher, it says. Looking for what's higher.
Yeah. There's a very small chance.
Yeah. So do we put, so what do we put exactly?
Um,
Oh, okay. Let me try another number.
what number?
So normally there's two numbers on top, right? So I'm gonna try like 600. Since it was saying like it's like they're saying like for 500 they can be accepted, but it's rare if it's below 600.
Yeah, but they're just trying to find the probability that a student will score above.
So then we could do 500 subtract by 542.3.
I don't know if that's what they mean. I'm just gonna
Yeah.
put the number that I got for the one side is 6.3342 e to the negative 5.
Okay. So negative 5.
Yeah.
Okay. So wait, what number did you get again? So I got 6.827 for e to the negative 6
But if
somehow.
you only clicked on one side, did you try clicking only on one side?
Oh, yep. Okay, now I got that. 6.3342 e to the negative 5, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Or wait. Okay. I redid it and I got 3.577.
3.577.
Yeah.
That's for the to put in, right?
Yeah. E to the negative 6.
Hmm. So when I try to save it, it needs to be a valid number.
Okay.
So I'm not for sure if the E thing works or not.
Yeah, maybe we'll just leave that part out and see what happens.
All right, so just leave out the E to the negative 5th.
Yeah. Okay, the next one makes a lot more sense.
Woohoo!
Yeah. Okay.
Okay, so now this is where you do the 600 minus the 5, 4, the
Yeah.
5, 4, 2, okay. Okay, so I got 0.478.
Yeah, me too.
Okay.
0.479 if you round up.
Oh yeah. And then what's below, right?
Yeah.
So I got 0.3160.
That's what I got too.
Sweet.
Sorry, my computer's about to die. I have to find the charger.
Okay.
And Carl cleaned, and I don't know where he put everything.
Don't you hate that when the husband cleans and doesn't put it back?
I know. Okay. So I can't find it, but we've been on this thing for an hour, so I guess
Alright.
we'll do the rest on our own. If that's okay.
I think I have like 8 to 9 more questions left.
Yeah, something like that.
Okay. So I guess we can do that.
Okay, thanks. Sorry, my computer's about to die. I'm just gonna save my answers.
It's all good.
Okay, and then I will see you next time.
Alright, with the full battery.
Yeah, hopefully.
Alright.
Bye.
Bye. Have fun.
Thank you.